Getting your plane ticket from Expedia is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get your plane ticket from Expedia. So the process is pretty simple. As you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here I'm just going to search for Expedia and I'll go to Expedia's website. Now in the Expedia's website you will see a page something like that. Now here you see, and after clicking on flights you can select whatever the flight that you want to book. Suppose you want to book from Manchester flight, should be going, let's say, Portugal. So I'm just going to search for that, and afterwards, as you guys can see, so I'm just going to enter that. You just have to select the details as well, and after selecting the details, you just have to click on search, and there you go. You will start be able to find the tickets right here. Currently, I don't think I've added the right dates. That's why it is not showing me any of the flights. You just have to select the flight, and after selecting the flight, you have to select the ticket or see. Suppose this is the flight that I want to do, so I'm just going to select it, and afterwards, I'm just going to select the returning ticket as well, and then there you go. It will take me to the overview section. In the overview section I will easily be able to click on go to check out for your ticket. Now if I click on checkout, and it will take me to the checkout, and I will be able to pay for the ticket right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.